You're doing a good job.
What'd you find?
What is it?
I want to go down here.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Come on.
How do we get down here? I want to go down here. Oh no, Dad.
You got it, buddy. I'm holding on to you. Good job.
I don't want to go either. I only way to go in there. Mommy, your mom go in there. Please. Okay, come behind you. We are there.
What'd you got there, Owie?
We're going all the way up.
You want to go all the way up there?
What you? Did you get all wet already?
What happened?
He's just all wet.
Already?
Oh, did you burp?
Come on, Slowpoke. Oh, wait, Mace. There you go. Oh, don't sit in it, bud.
Yeah, you're going this one. I'll meet you over there. Your leaf flew away. All right, well, look for another one.
I got my leaf.
Oh, you found your leaf? Say bye, leaf.
Go, go!
See you next week.
Bye.
Bye.